Yeah, so record has been started. So today what I'm going to do, so just a moment.
Hi Manoj.
Yeah, I sorry. Yeah. So yesterday we have installed Postgres in CentOS, means Linux flavor, right? Today we will discuss on how to install the PostgreSQL software in Windows and as well as how to configure the PostgreSQL in AWS RDS. Okay, so these two things we are going to do today. So let's go and download the Windows version of the binaries. Okay, so one thing I forgot. Okay, so we have installed the 10 version of the binaries, correct? So the remaining how to install the RPM means the how to install the RPM packages in the Linux flavor, correct? So we'll discuss on next thing once we are going to install in the Windows and the AWS RDS, we will discuss later. But today we will try to complete how to install the PostgreSQL on Windows and as well as how to configure on AWS RDS. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to download PostgreSQL Windows version. Okay. See here. So Windows, I will go to the in Windows and so I'm going to download the installer. See here. Here I'm going to download 14.7 Windows version. Windows 64-bit. My system is 64. So, and also, for 32-bit, the 14.7 and from 11.19 to 15.2, so 32-bit is not going to support it. Only 64-bit. Okay. So I'm going to
Manoj,
install. Yes.
can you accept Vishnu's? Like,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Sure. One moment. I'm not able to see the Vishnu's uh, request here. Uh, can you please ask him to rejoin?
Yeah, one second.
Yeah. So see here, so 32-bit is not going to support. So 64 is going to support. I'm going to download this software. Okay. So your download should begin in few seconds. Yeah, download is started. See here, guys. I'm going to provide this one. Otherwise, I'm going to provide the link. So whatever you want, I'm going to provide.
So Manoj, yesterday we did the installation right on the Linux machine. Can we have multiple versions on same machine? Like we
Yes,
installed
yes,
10
that
and
yes, possible, possible. I will do that one as well. In Linux flavor, I will try, I will install all the version from 10 to 15th version. I will do
yeah.
in the
And also
single
we did
machine
the
that is possible.
environmental variable right yesterday. So how? I mean, is it a part of installation step? We have to do that one, or how we can make a note of it, like while installing any error comes.
No, no, come again. I did not understand.
No, so yesterday, when we tried to connect using the port, but we got an error, right? So then
Okay,
we,
yeah, yeah. So that one after the installation, we need to set the environment. I will tell you. I will explain how to set the environment variable. Okay, I will tell you after everything is installed, right? I will tell you how to set the environment variable. Yeah,
yeah.
got it. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Manoj, can you check now?
One moment.
Yeah.
No, no, no. See here, you guys are. I'm not able to see.
You're not able to see?
No. Vishnu, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Vishwa is there. Vishnu, no, I'm not able to see. Which link he is using?
The one which you sent
I will
on
do one
WhatsApp.
thing. Uh, Copy. Yeah, I will do one thing. I will send it in WhatsApp. Okay. Ask him to join. In group, I will going to be. Okay. So here. Okay. Use this link and join to this meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. See here, guys. I downloaded, right? So I downloaded PostgreSQL 14.7 Windows 64-bit. Okay. So see here, I'm going to install 14.7. Yeah, now I think it's good. One moment. No, still not yet. I'm not able to see. Mm, I'm not able to see. Okay. See here, here. Yeah. Yeah. So joined. Okay. See here. So the console is, comes here now. So once I clicked, now I'm going to give next. Okay, here, guys. So it will comes here also installation directory. When we were installed, like a PostgreSQL on Linux flavor also, right? The first time it will going to ask the installation directory, correct? Here also same. So it is asking the installation directory, whether we are going to proceed with the same default one or whether we are going to proceed with the different directory. Okay, but as of now, I will proceed with the default one. Okay, so it will going to install program files PostgreSQL 14. Okay, and also see here, guys. So these are all the components we were installed in Linux as well, right? PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin 4, right? And Stack Builder. So for the database purpose, we are not going to use Stack Builder and command line tools. Okay, whenever we are going to use PSQL or any other client utility, right? And also there is some, PostgreSQL utilities is there like PG base backup dump. Okay, so like those things, it will comes under command line tools. Okay, see here. So now, as of now, I'm going to installing PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin, and command line tools. Okay. So see here, guys, when I'm going to give PostgreSQL Server, right? At that time, it will going to ask data directory. Okay. If you are going to disable PostgreSQL Server, right? It will not going to ask data directory. See here. Why Because we are not installing the default database server. So that's why it is not asking the data directory. Okay, see here, if I'm going to enable PostgreSQL Server, at that time, it will ask data directory. Okay, and the next thing is, so whenever we are going to creating the database server, right, default database server, at that time, it will going to create super user called Postgres, and also we need to provide the password. Okay, I will provide the password test123. Okay, and also I will provide test123. Okay, see here, guys. And also see here, please select the port number the server should be listen on. Okay, if you wish to continue with the default port number, you can continue. Otherwise, if you want to run the data default database server on different port number, you can change the port number. But as of now, I will go with the 5432. Okay, I will go with the 5432. Now, next. Okay, so select the locally to be used by the new database cluster. This is the languages. See here, this is all our languages. Whenever we are going to use default locally, it will going to take the English language. Okay, see here, whatever we are provided, the inputs, right? It is showing all the things. We need to cross verify before going to install. Okay, and create the default database server. We need to cross verify whether whatever we are going to provided the inputs are valid or not. Okay, so so all are, valid only. I'm going to proceed to install the PostgreSQL server, so PostgreSQL software, and as well as I'm going to create the database server. See here, guys. Now setup is now ready to begin installing the PostgreSQL on your computer. I will do next. Okay, whatever the option we were used in the CentOS, same option here also it is there. But one thing is we were installed the PostgreSQL software in text mode, right? Here we are going to use GUI mode. In CentOS also it is possible to install a graphical user interface, but yesterday we tried in the text mode, correct? Anybody have any doubts here in this installation? Anybody have any doubts? Guys,
No
anybody have
doubt.
any doubts?
No doubt, Manish.
Yeah.
Did we lost Manoj or?
Uh-huh. What? Uh, Sorry?
No, no, I'm not hearing anything from you. So I thought I lost the connection. Okay.
No, 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 no. So just it is installing, right? So that's why I won't.
Yeah, that is. So Vishnu is getting some error, it seems. Okay, while he installed the VMware and
Mm-hmm.
when he is trying to install the CentOS, he's
Uh-huh.
getting error.
Yeah, yeah,
So
Srini, I was
Vishnu,
about to ask. Yeah, yeah, Srini, I was about to ask. So, Manoj, after this
Yeah.
session, I thought I can, because right now he's sharing this thing, right? After that, I'll ask him.
Sure, sure. Vishnu, please send the screenshot, or once we are, done this session, please share your screen. So
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
discuss. Okay. Sure.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, thanks, Manoj.
Yeah. See here, guys. This installation is done. Okay. So that complete the Windows installation is done. Okay. I'm going to finish. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, so I'm going to access whatever we created the installed, right? So first of all, I'm going to check whether the installation is properly done or not. Program files, go to PostgreSQL 14, and here all the files and folders are created. Okay, and also see here within this data directory. Okay, so we have created the default database server, right? See here. So this is the default database server. Okay, now I will try to access. Okay, I will try to access And also before going to uh, try to access the database server, I will check whether the default database server is up and running or not. Go to services, check Postgres. See here, guys. So it is up and running. It is running. Okay. See here, this is the 14th version, right? So this default server is up and running. See here. Okay. So this is the one, right? Data directory. 14 data, right? So this is the one, right? See here. It is up and running. Okay. Yeah.
Manoj,
Yeah.
if you see
Yeah.
the left side,
Mhm.
so you can stop, restart. Those options are there, services. So to stop the services, it is similar to the SQL server, right? Same. Stop and restart.
Yeah. In where exactly
The
you are
left
talking
side,
about?
left side, in Windows left side, services local. So you have the stop, pause, and restart the
Yeah. Yeah.
services.
Exactly. See here. Exactly. So we can do, start, stop, reload, and restart. These are four options is there. I will tell you. So why we need to do the start, stop when we are going to use reload and restart. Okay. There are four options is there. Okay. Start, stop, and restart and reload. There are total four options is there. Okay. I'm going to explain that one as well. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, now it's up and running. Now what I'm going to do. So now I will try to access the database server. So here I will register first. So default. So it is means name. It is a logical. Okay, we can give any of the name. Not a problem. Okay, this is logical name. So in the connection, we need to provide localhost. So the port number is 5432, correct? And the password is test123. Okay, so see here. Now I will check. Localhost 5432 maintain a username. Okay. I don't know why it is taking so much time. So let's go and connect. Command prompt. Meeting. Let's just a moment, guys. Yeah. So I don't know why it's not taking just a moment. So default. So 127.0.0.1. Just 123. It is not connecting. So here I will try to connect in command prompt. Let's see. PSQL-P 543 to
Manoj, I will reconnect again. Okay, my system is restarting. Give me.
Yes, sure. Yeah, here it is connecting. But why in PGs? Okay, one moment. Let me cross verify. Okay, I will do one thing. I will restart the PG admin. PG admin. Yeah. So here test 1, 2, 3. Okay. Server default Postgres. Connection is local host. Port is 543. Maintenance username test 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see here. So I think it's a problem with the PC admin. So now I am able to connect. So default database server. See here, guys. So here, so I connected default database server using the PG admin. I don't know, like maybe there is a network issue. Refresh it. Just go there. Sometimes it will going to happen. Yeah. So see here, guys. Here, so I'm able to see Postgres database. See here. But in GUI, we are not able to see template 0 and template 1. Okay, so only we can able to see only the Postgres database and remaining, so login and users. Okay, so we're able to see logins, groups, and roles in this tab. See here. Okay, see here. So these are all the default, this is the default login. Okay, and others are default roles. These are also all our default roles and groups. Okay, so why we require this default one, I'm going to explain later. Okay, but as of now, see here, so I'm able to logged in. Okay, so if you are going to, so if you want to query, right? So using query tool. See here, you can do select name, database name from PG underscore database. Okay, so this is the data dictionary table. I don't know, this PG admin is very slow. I will try to upgrade this one. Okay, so see here in command prompt as well. See here I connected. Select database name from pg underscore database. See here, guys. Here we are able to see three databases. Postgres, template 1, template 0. See here, I'm able to see. So three databases. What is the use of each and every databases? I'm going to tell you. Okay. And also if you are going to check list of the tables, right? /dt. Whatever we are going to use in the Linux, right? Within the database, all are same command only. If you are going to give
Okay.
/du, see here,
Slash DT is not working, so did not
slash.
find any.
Yeah.
Slash.
So yeah, there is no tables, right? As of now, there is no tables. So that's why it is did not find any relations. Okay.
Yeah,
So
relation table, right? In the
exactly tables. So see here, if I'm going to create, so test one, so name varchar. See here, now you can do /dt. See here. So we are able to see test one table, right? See here. And also you can describe the table as well. Test one. It will going to describe the table columns and data types. See here. So this is the way we need to list out, and this is the way we need to describe the particular object. Okay. And also one more thing I told you. So in PostgreSQL, which procedure language we are going to use? Default one /dx. See here, PL/PGSQL. Correct? See here. So we are going to use PL/PGSQL. See here. This is the procedure language. Okay. So we are going to use this is the procedure language. Okay. And also you can check the default table spaces. See here. PG underscore default and PG underscore global. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to all the things I'm going to explain inside that. So whatever the basics things is there inside the database server, I'm going to explain all the things. Okay. Okay. See here, same as whatever we are going to follow the Linux, right? In the Linux, same thing in Windows as well. All the commands are same only. There is no differences. Okay. Got it, guys? Anybody have any doubts?
Yeah.
I don't know. So that PG admin version is it's very, like a older version. Let me try in different version. Yeah. See here. Now it's accessible, so it's very fast now. See here, table spaces. There are two default table spaces. And we are able to see only one database. Other two database we can't see in the graphical user interface. Okay. And
Is there
also,
any specific reason,
yeah.
Manoj? Why
Uh-huh.
can't we see in the graphical user interface?
That is two or hidden databases. That is the
Okay.
model databases.
Okay.
So that's why we are not able to see.
Okay.
Yeah. So see here. So this is the default one. And also, one thing. So we can also able to access the CentOS database server also. From Windows, we can able to access CentOS database server as well. So let me try to connect that one as well from PG admin. So where is that? So this is our VM. So see here, I will try to access that one as well. Yeah. So yesterday we created this one, right? So already welcome database is there here, right? Yesterday we have created, right? So what I'm going to do, so just I will check the IP address for this. So this is the IP address, and also what I'm going to do. So just I will go to the command prompt. I will take this IP config. Okay, so whether this IP is going to ping in the Linux CentOS or not, I will check. Okay, so 192. Yeah, so this is the one ping. I think this is the one or not. Which one? One moment. So IP, one moment. This is the one, I think so. VM, oh, sorry, VM net 8. Okay. Yeah, it's replying. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, just go to PG admin. Here I will register. So what I'm going to register, Postgres 27 patch. So let's go and I will give the global IP address 127.0.0.1 and the password is test123. Right? See here, guys. Yesterday we have created this one, right? So this is the one, right? See here. See here. I'm able to access. And also, if example, so create table test one name backcache 20. See here, I created one table. If you can refresh and check the Postgres database, go to schema public. See here, the test one table here, we are able to see. See here, we can also able to access the CentOS 1.2, the CentOS database server in Windows as well. See here, this is the way we need to access. Okay, so we can use PG admin. We can easily access the CentOS database server.
Manoj, what is the connection value that we have given? IP
Uh,
address?
yeah, that is the global IP address 127.0.0.1. Yeah, this is the one.
So, what is the IP address that we have given for the default Postgres OS? I'm just confused here.
Default, sorry, come again.
The other one, which was installed on Windows 1, what is the
Oh,
IP
okay.
address there?
This is the one, right? I provided the
Ah,
local host. Local host.
okay, okay. So the IP address and the local hosts are here different things, right?
Exactly, exactly. So this
S-
is the, the global IP addresses. So 127.0.0.1, that is the global IP address for the local host only. So instead of using the local host, I provided the IP address. That's all.
So how it has recognized the Postgre on the CentOS? That's a doubt for me.
Yeah, see here. So anyway, the IP address is pinging, right, in the Windows. See
Mhm.
here, that IP address is pinging. So it is recognizing through IP address. See here. So PG admin, where is that? Here, if I'm going to go to the properties, see here.
Mm, okay.
So
For
you,
example,
yeah.
for example,
Mhm,
I have
mhm.
another CentOS, for example, let's say I have another CentOS.
Mhm.
So in that case, if I would like to connect that CentOS to here in the PG
Mhm.
admin, so what could be the host address here?
Okay, at that time you can do one thing. Okay, I got it. If another CentOS is running at that time, what we need to provide this host name, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can provide the host name only. Change the host name, and so don't maintain the same host name. You can change the host name and you can provide the host name. Instead of IP address, you can provide the host name. But we need to rename the host name. We do not want to maintain the same host name in the both CentOS.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I hope you understood or not.
Little
No,
still
no.
doubt is there.
Oh, Santosh. So the see thing is, your doubt is, if we are running the two CentOS, correct? Your
Yeah.
question is, if
Yes.
you are running the two CentOS, okay, how to connect two CentOS database servers, correct?
Yes. Exactly.
At that time, okay, you can maintain the different host names in two CentOS.
Okay. Okay.
Don't maintain the same host name in the two different VMs. Okay, see here example. If I'm going to here, right? So check the host name. So what is the host name here? Local host dot local domain, right? Okay, change this host name. That is possible. Okay, so 127.0.1 means that is the global IP address for local host only.
Okay.
At that time, okay, what we need to do, we need to change the, we need to rename the local host. Otherwise, I will do one thing. Wait. Otherwise, okay. Where is the IP address for that one? So this is the one, right?
Yeah.
So now I will try to disconnect from server, go to properties, connection, control V.
Yeah. This I was expecting this thing
Yeah,
actually.
yeah. So
Uh,
one, yeah, correct. So
with
let's,
the
yeah.
IP address we can able to connect.
So now you can queue provide the,
Yeah.
but this will, I doubt, like, let's see. Yeah. So yeah, this will not going to work. One moment. Yeah, this will not going to work. So we need to stop the firewall actually. At that
Okay.
time, it will going to work.
Okay.
We need to stop the firewall. I will tell you in the security part. So
Okay.
how exactly we need to, add the different IP address.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but as of now, I'm going to use 127.0.0, this one. Okay. Save this one and I'm going to connect. Okay, I will tell you why it is not recognizing that IP address because we need to stop the firewall.
Yeah. Yeah. I understood. Something
Yeah,
IP address is blocking in the server else.
exactly, exactly. Okay, so this is the way we need to install the PostgreSQL server, PostgreSQL software and server in Windows, and this is the way we need to access. Okay, anybody have any doubts, guys? Guys, anybody have any doubts?
Manoj, can you please go on to this database one tab?
Database,
Just
huh? Okay.
explain the databases.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So our database can be visible under the schemas, right?
exactly. See, no, no, no,
So
not
we
schema.
we have created a welcome database, right? In
Yeah, oh, okay. So we have created welcome database, but
Welcome in
in,
Linux we have.
yeah, yeah, correct. So why it is not showing? One moment. So one moment. Let me try to refresh now.
Yeah.
That's why it is not reflecting.
Any environment variables we need to set?
No. No need to set.
So where did you create this create table, create database? It's in a Windows or Linux?
Linux.
Okay.
Do one thing, wait. So what I'm going to do? So I will go here and PSQL tool. Why it is not showing? So I
Uh,
connected different
I
database
guess,
server.
I guess, yeah, I guess might be connected to the Windows one
No,
connection.
one moment. So probably exactly. So it is connecting to
The
so
one which is
Windows one
installed on
only.
Windows. Yeah.
Yes, it is Windows one only. But no, the thing is, okay, one moment. So schemas. Yeah, it's connected Windows one only. It is not Linux one. So here, one moment. We'll go downloads. Mm, here. Okay, just a moment. Okay. So see here. So we need to stop the firewall. So, so one moment. What I'm going to do, I will stop the firewall. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, pwd cd data. Here we need to add IPv4.
Yeah, that Windows one, right? Adding.
Yes, Windows 1. So here, what I'm going to do, I will add this one.
Okay, you're allowing all.
Yeah, so I'm going to allow all the connections. Trust. So authentication method is trust. Let me, yeah. PG underscore CTL -d slash. Okay, just I'm reloading.
Yeah.
I will tell you exactly, but so now just I'm showing how exactly we need to access the database server. But don't worry about what I'm going to reload and all. I'm going to tell you later. Okay. So
Okay.
don't confuse as of now. So now let me connect with this IP address. So where is PG admin? Disconnect from server. We'll go with properties. I will change this IP. and connect server. Test on. See here, guys. Now it is showing welcome
It is showing.
database. Yeah, see here. So now we are able to access that Linux one. Sorry. So previously it were accessing the Windows one only. I did not concentrate for that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Now we are able to access here.
yeah. Welcome database.
Yeah. And also we have created two tables on Postgres database, right? So
Yes,
test one and test two. See here.
yes. We
These
can.
two tables is there. Okay,
Okay.
so whatever I change the as of now, these configuration parameters and all, right? Don't worry about that. In security part, I'm going to explain very detailedly.
Okay.
But this is the way we need to access the Linux one. Okay. I think I hope you guys are understood, right?
Manoj, is there a way like instead of IP address, can we connect through name like FQD and something names we say?
Host name. You were talking about host
Yeah,
name?
host name.
Yeah,
Host name.
host name, it is possible.
Okay,
It is
host
possible.
name with port number that will connect.
Exactly. Host
Okay,
name with port number, that is also possible.
okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Guys, anybody have any doubts in this part? Don't worry about each and every databases and what is schema and all. So tomorrow onwards, that is the main thing I'm going to explain with pictorial representation and with practical. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, but as of now, just I'm explaining installation and how to create the default database server. I will tell you how to create multiple database servers and all. Okay, so but as of now, so just concentrate on installation part. Okay, and connecting to the database server. That's all is enough. Okay. So like apart from this, I'm going to explain tomorrow. I think I hope you guys are understood, right? How to install the PostgreSQL software on Windows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And RPM one also you're going to explain
Yes, yes,
tomorrow.
yes, exactly. Tomorrow I will do it.
Okay.
RPM also. That is very, very important thing.
Okay.
So I'm
Because
going to
after after 10 version only RPMs are available, right?
exactly. Only RPMs are available.
Okay. I
Exactly.
think that must be useful to install on
Yeah,
Linux version.
exactly. Yeah. Okay. So can I explain? Like it will going to take some time. I think so. Maybe uh, it will going to minimum half an hour. Can I explain how to configure on PostgreSQL on Amazon ODS? Can I explain now or can I explain tomorrow? So you guys comfortable? I'm ready to explain.
Configuration means you are actually going to create a database there,
Yes, yes. I'm going to
database
create
server.
a database server. Exactly.
So it's similar to PaaS database on the Azure.
Yes, exactly. This is managed
Okay.
services.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
How to create the managed services on AWS.
AWS. Okay.
So same as Azure also. See here,
Yeah.
Azure, Google Cloud, same. Whatever
Yeah.
I'm going to do, so it's same as all three clouds.
Okay.
So already I created my account, AWS account. Okay.
Okay.
So see here, here I'm in the region Tokyo. Okay. But see here, in every region, okay, in every if you're going with where is the India? See here, I'm going to specify Asia specific Mumbai. See here, I will specify Mumbai region. Okay, in each and every region, okay, three availability zones is there. Okay, three availability zones will be there in each and every region. So Mumbai is whenever you are going to select Mumbai, right? In this Mumbai, three availability zones is there. Okay. So what is the availability zones? If one availability zone is down, right? So we can, switch over to the another availability zone. Automatically, it will going to switch over. Okay. In each and every region, 3 availability zone will be there. Okay. So as of now, I selected Mumbai. See here, I selected Mumbai. Okay. And also, in AWS, around 200 plus services is available. See here, around 200 plus services are available. Okay. And also, in whenever we comes to any of the cloud providers, there are two things is there, correct? IaaS and PaaS,
Yeah.
right? So what is the difference between PaaS and IaaS? Anybody know? Like a
IaaS is like total infrastructure will be provided by them.
Mhm.
So infrastructure maintenance and everything is maintained by the
Mhm.
platform providers, and
Exactly.
inside the database and all software we have to install and we have to manage them, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yep,
True.
as it
True.
means everything is managed by database services are managed by the cloud providers. We don't have to do anything. So just we need to install the database and we have to
Mhm.
connect and we have to use them.
Yeah. So just I'm going to explain in pictorial representation, then I will go for practical. Okay. Is it
Yeah,
fine?
yeah.
So see here. So in AWS, okay. So in AWS, this is the AWS one. So I'm going to explain only for database specific. Okay. I'm not going to explain more. Okay. So I'm going to explain only the database specific. Okay. In AWS, there are two things is there. One is IaaS, right? What is IaaS? So IaaS is nothing but infrastructure as a service, correct? And also one more is, what is one more? PaaS.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the PaaS means? PaaS is completely managed services. What is managed services? Managed services is nothing but AWS only will going to take care each and every services. Okay. So we do not want to involve any of the things. Okay. All the things it will going to take care by AWS. Or if you are going with the AWS will going to take care. If you guys are going with Azure, so Azure will going to take care. Okay. So this is the main difference between IaaS and PaaS. Okay. In IaaS, so what we are going to call it as, what is IaaS? We are going to call it as EC2. Okay. So this is the elastic services. They are going, whenever we are going with the IaaS, right? They are going to provide EC2 instances. Okay. In that EC2 instances, okay, whatever we need to configure, okay, all the things in our own we need to configure. Okay. At the time, AWS will not going to do anything. We need to take care each and everything. But whenever we are going with the PaaS, right, at the time they are going to provide RDS. Okay, RDS, what RDS will going to, So RDS is completely managed by AWS. This is managed services. Okay, each and everything they are going to take care. But EC2, they are going to give one box. Okay, within that box, we need to configure all the things. All the things means database, and also if you guys wants to resource also we can configure everything. Okay, in EC2, we need to configure all the things like database. Okay, each and everything we need to configure. But in RDS, once they are going to provide this box, right? Okay, so once we are going to configure the RDS, right? Okay, this is completely managed by AWS. Okay, I hope you guys are understood, right? What is the difference between IaaS and PaaS? What is the difference between EC2 and RDS? You guys are got it, right?
Yes.
Guys?
Yes, Manoj.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
So yeah, this is the main difference. But when you guys are going with C, right? EC2. So first I will go for EC2. So see here, lot of, in the Mumbai region, okay, so lot of services is there. See here, we can create instances running, and we can also create dedicated host in EC2. That is also possible. Okay. So see here, snapshot also we are able to create. Okay. So they are going to provide EC2 one. See here, if I'm going with dedicated host, right? See here, they are going to provide, allocate dedicated host. Okay. So whenever we are going to create this dedicated host, right? This is completely for dedicated. Okay. But like EC2 instance, if I'm going to create, right, they are going to charge. So that's why I'm not going to, create any EC2 instances or EC2 dedicated host. Okay. There is no free tier in this EC2. Okay. So don't create any EC2 instance with a free tier. There is no free tier. Okay. So once you guys are going to create your account in Amazon, right? Don't touch EC2 instance. They are going to charge. Okay. Very high amount. Last in the last batch, somebody created Aurora Postgres in AWS. Okay. So they charge 1.5 lakh per month. Okay. So that's why. So don't create any EC2 instances, and also don't create any Aurora instances. Okay, you can go mainly concentrate on RDS. Okay, so let's go for RDS. See here, just click here RDS. It will come console. Okay, see here now DB instances. See here, guys. Here we need to configure. Okay, PostgreSQL software. How to configure PostgreSQL software, So just go and create database. Okay, see here don't select Aurora Postgres or Aurora MySQL compatible. Okay, so what you guys needs to do, so go and create easy create. Okay, at the time, so select PostgreSQL. See here, when you are going to select easy create, right? At that time, there is a sorry, one option will come free tier. So we need to select free tier. In free tier, they are going to provide free resources: 2 CPU, 1 GB RAM, 20 GB, space. Okay, so they are going to provide. And also, immediately we need to delete this one as well. Okay, don't consume more resources. So in cloud providers, any cloud providers, the main they are going to observe, okay, how much we are going to use the resources. If we are going to use more resources, they are going to nicely charge the money as well. Okay, so that's why don't use more resources. Try to create the database server in free tier. Okay, see here in the production, they are going to give this type of resources and they are going to charge 1.204 USD per hour. Okay, and also if you are going to select dev, right, they are going to charge 5.274 USD per hour. Okay, so that's why go with the free tier. Okay, so and also see here, guys, I'm going to create DB instance. Okay, so this is the database name. Okay, this is the database instance name. I'm I'm going to create the database instance name as database one. If you guys want different name, you can select it. But I'm going to continue with database one. Okay. And also The next thing is, see here, whenever we are going to create the database server at the time, okay, so it will going to create the Postgres user, super user. We are going to in RDS or in any cloud providers, we are going to call it as master username. Okay, so this is the super user. If you guys wants to auto generate the password, you can do it, but I don't want to generate the auto generate password. I will continue with normal manual password. Okay. The next thing is, see here guys. Oh, one thing. So I will change the password. Manoj at 01. Invalid password. Hey. Manoj at 01. Why? Paste the rate 123. Three caps. Paste at the rate 123. Why this? Specify a string that defines password for the master user must at least 8 characters. Okay. Why?
Manoj, I think it won't take special characters like at the rate. Why don't you remove at the rate?
Yes, yes. Let's try. Yeah, so now it is taken. So yeah, see here. So I given the password. Okay, so now, so view default settings. These are all they're going to provide it. Okay, they're going to provide it all the default ones. Okay, so now, one moment. So they change completely. See, it was previously it is showing all the things, but now they are not provided many of the things. Oh, they changed complete configuration. It's okay. Instant type. Okay, so let me create first the database. I'm creating free tier only, right? Yes. Yeah. They completely changed the options and all. Previously, it was more option, but as of now, it is, like very less options to create the database server. Each and every month, they update it. See here, it is creating. It will going to take some time. I hope yesterday's video all are received, right?
Yes, Manoj, received.
Manoj, did you share this content or PowerPoint presentations? Because I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
see
yeah,
the
yeah.
one.
Sorry, I'm going to share. I'm going to
Okay,
share.
because I don't see those details
Yes,
in
yes.
the.
It is not there. I'm going to share.
Okay, only the one we received is like content. Yeah, the index part.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, I will share that.
Okay. Okay.
And also, like don't keep the once you guys are going to create the database in server in AWS RDS, right? Don't keep so after 24 hours as well. So as soon as possible, you can drop the database server. So in last time they charged 1,500 rupees for me. So
So while creating itself, it should be notifying you, right? You need to pay such. There is no such pop-up.
yes, they mentioned, right? So it's 30 like 30 USD per hour. Okay, so I forgot to delete the database server. So, like after 1 week, I deleted the database server. At that time, they charge 1,500 rupees.
Did you pay?
No, why we need to pay? So we are students, right?
Yeah.
And like I told you, right? In last batch, one guy, created the instance like Aurora instance in RDS. Okay, like they charge the 1,50,000.
So why?
Like the Aurora resource is very, like expansive. He, by mist, he created Aurora Postgres. So
Oh,
that's
got it.
why. So we need to be careful to create the database server.
Finally, did they pay?
Here,
Any
no,
such?
no, no, no. I told him to create, drop the account.
Okay.
See here, 1 month, 1,50,000 means it's not a small amount.
Yes.
Yeah, so it will going to take some time. So let's refresh. Yeah, still it's creating database. And also, guys, you do okay each and every day. Please listen the video as well. At least things will going to remember. Yeah, see here, it is available. Okay. See here, I did not enable this multi-availability zone. Okay. If you guys are unable, they are going to chart this one as well. So that's why, so whenever we are going to create database server, right, we need to be careful for that. Okay. And as well as I need to enable public access. Where is that? There is the public access here. Postgres. So this is the one. Connectivity and security. So let's go and connect this one. I will try to connect. Okay. So, oh, sorry. So PG admin. I will go and register this one. Server name AWS RDS. Connection. I need to provide the endpoint details. 5432. The what is the password for? So this is the one, right? Manoj Devipura. So here I'm going to provide this one. We'll try to access. It will not going to accept. Yes, because where is the public access? I'm not able to see that option. I will do one thing, modify.
There I can see on public access is not allowed.
Yeah,
Please go
where is that?
go to the previous page.
Yeah,
Yeah.
down, little down. Yeah.
Publicly accessible, no.
Oh, yes, correct. This is the one. Exactly. I need to edit this one. One moment. Yeah, modify. One moment. Yeah, so we need to enable that one. Otherwise, it will not going to accept the connections. Yeah. Here, see here. Where is that? Where is that? Oh, additional. Yeah, see here, guys. Not publicly accessible. So I'm going to, enable this public access. Okay. So otherwise, it will not going to accept. So just continue. Modify DB instances. Okay, successfully modified. If I'm going to see here, right? See here. Oh, still it is not. Oh, reboot is required. Oh my God. Okay. I will reboot. Okay, so this is the way we need to rebooting the database server. Guys, is it fine, right? Just, like I'm extending the like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to close the session. Rebooting. It will going to take some time, just 1 or 2 minutes. Let's it's modifying. Still, it's modifying. And also, like I prepared one document as well. So how to install the RPMs, okay? So I will provide once we done tomorrow, okay, right? So I'm going to provide this document, okay? So, so this document, all the things is there, how to install different versions of the PostgreSQL server using RPMs. Yeah, it's available now. See here, public accessible is yes, correct. Now I will try to log in. So let's go and give the password again. Yeah, see here, guys. We are able to access. See here, Postgres. See here. Okay, but in one thing is in cloud, they are going to, one more database will be there. So RDS admin. Okay, so this database we can't able to access. This completely maintained by, okay, so like I'm a AWS team. We are not able to access this database. Okay, so if you want to create new database, so just you can create the new database PDB. Okay, and also here. So one more database is there. Okay, so by default in that database, the default schema is public. See here, we're able to create multiple databases, and also we can create multiple users as well. See here, so we can also create multiple users as well. Okay, this is the way we need to access the AWS RDS instance. Okay, I hope you guys have got it right. Guys, anybody have any doubts?
No,
So,
we're good.
yeah. So others, Kishore, Naveen, Pradeep, Santosh, Srinivas, Vikas, Vishnuvardhan,
No doubt.
Vishwa.
Good.
Yeah,
Okay.
good one.
Okay, this is the
Yeah,
way we
good.
need to configure AWS RDS. Okay, once you guys are configured, right? Immediately, what is the next step? Delete the first thing. Okay, so we do not want this one. So, delete. Okay, first, oh, okay. So retain automate backup. We do not want this one. So create final snapshot. This is also not required. We strongly recommended take final snapshot before instance since after your instance is delete automate backup. Okay. So just I will maintain one create final snapshot. Apart from that, I don't want so automate backups as well. Okay, just I'm going to.
Are they going to charge for snapshot as well? Or?
Yes, yes, they are going to charge. No, snapshot, no, they are not going to charge.
Okay.
If see here, their idea is see here. So if somebody is going to delete and somebody is going to again, they are going to ask the same snapshot to restore, right? So that's why they are put the option for this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So if I'm going to disable that option, yeah, see here. So that is also if you guys do not want, so just disable that option as well. Okay, just I'm going to delete. I don't want snapshot as well. See here, I'm going to delete it. Okay, guys, I hope you guys are understood, right? Yeah, so let's connect tomorrow and let's work around like how to install RPMs and how to create multiple database servers. Okay, so we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so if anybody wants to share the screen, please stay here. So otherwise, please, drop from this call. I'm going to stop recording.